your self-righteous symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me.
Some jeans, looks like. Nice. Now, last gift here we have to Eric from the boys. The boys are upstairs. They'll watch this when they get over. Oh, wow. The Hot Pursuit, Bad Santa 2, Journey 2 into the Mysterious Island, Vampire Academy, Easy A, and Jack the Giant Slayer 3D. Awesome. Thank you, boys, and Brianna. Now this is my stocking. We had the Kingdom of Hearts HD 2.8. We have 2 different Pokemon packs. Thank you, Santa. Okay. Mew pin. A Pikachu promo card. Lipstick, whatever you call it. And that's it. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Nana and Beepa and everybody. Here we go. Open up that shirt.
I already did.
I know, but I deleted the video by accident. Hakuna Matata Lion King shirt. Okay, nice. Looks cute. Do you actually like it?
Yeah.
It's a unisex t-shirt. There's some playing cards. Large playing cards. Lion King.
I'm gonna read over this stuff.
What's that?
I forgot what these are called.
The bath bomb.
Smells nice.
Chapstick. Looks like you got tons of candy. You rob somebody, huh? Just kidding. Is there anything else in there? Was it more than 2 things? Nice.